Hi everyone and welcome back to Yana's English Academy. If you're always saying I'm sorry in the same boring way, then today's video is for you. I'll teach you 15 better ways to say I'm sorry from casual to formal so you can sound more natural in English. Let's dive in. But before we begin, can I ask you for a little favor? Right now, over 90% of people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. I'm not excited about repeating this, but your subscription really helps support this channel. It's such a simple thing, but it truly helps me keep this channel going and bringing you more content. Now, let's get into it. Expression 1, my bad. This is a super casual way to say I'm sorry. It's perfect for when you make a small mistake with friends. Oops, my bad. I dropped your bag. It's short, it's modern, and it sounds really natural. Expression 2. I didn't mean to. This one is great when something was an accident. I didn't mean to miss the meeting. It shows you didn't do it on purpose, and it adds warmth and, transition smoothly from casual to a bit more apologetic. Number 3, I owe you one. This phrase shows that you take responsibility and that you'll make it up later. For example, you can say, I owe you an apology for forgetting your birthday. It's also a nice way of saying you'll do something kind in return. Number 4, all my fault. This is short and powerful. You're clearly saying, I take the blame. For example, I left the door open, all my fault. It's humble and direct. Number 5, sorry about that. This is one of the most common everyday apologies. Oh, I took your seat. Sorry about that. It works in almost any situation. Polite, quick, and easy. Moving on to number 6, I messed up. Here, you're admitting you made a mistake and you're not afraid to say it. I forgot to call you back. I messed up. It's very natural and honest, especially with close friends or colleagues. Number 7, I'll make it up to you. This isn't just saying sorry, it's making a promise. I spilled coffee on you. I'll make it up to you by buying a new one. It shows you want to fix your mistake. Number 8, that's on me. This idiom is modern and casual, and it means I accept full responsibility. I lost your keys, that's on me. It's very common in American English, especially in conversations between friends or co-workers. Moving on to number 9, won't happen again. This is perfect for when you want to show you've learned your lesson. For example, I interrupted you, won't happen again. It's short, strong, and reassuring. Expression 10, forgive me please. Now this one is more emotional and formal. You're really asking for forgiveness. I broke your vase, forgive me please. Use this when you want to sound sincere and serious. Number 11, I apologize. It's very polite and professional at the same time, and it works great at work, in emails, or in serious conversations. I apologize for the mistake in the report. Number 12, my apologies. This one is even shorter, but still formal. An example is, my apologies for the confusion earlier. Next up we have 13, I take full responsibility. This phrase sounds strong, serious, and it also shows leadership. I take full responsibility for the error in our project. It's perfect for when you really want to show maturity and accountability. Number 14. Please don't be mad at me. It sounds softer and more playful, and you can use it with friends or your partner or even family. I'm late again. Please don't be mad at me. So it makes your apology sound lighter and more personal. And finally, number 15. I shouldn't have. This is great for admitting you were wrong. I shouldn't have said that. I'm really sorry. Humble, reflective, and shows you're aware of your mistake. And there you have it. 15 better ways to say I'm sorry. Now here's your challenge. Pick 2 of these phrases and write your own example in the comments below. I'll check them and give you feedback. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit that like button and subscribe, because I'd rather see you back here than waving goodbye too soon. And if you'd prefer not to forget everything we just practiced, jump straight into one of my other videos. Trust me, your future self will rather thank you than regret it. See you in the next class.